Exercise is one of the best things you can do for your health. Regular physical activity helps you maintain a healthy weight, strengthens your muscles and bones, improves your mood, and reduces the risk of many serious illnesses such as heart disease, diabetes, and depression. There are many different types of exercise. Aerobic exercise, such as running, swimming, or cycling, is good for your heart and lungs. It increases your heart rate and helps your body use oxygen more efficiently. Strength training, such as lifting weights or doing push-ups, helps build and maintain muscle mass. Flexibility exercises, such as yoga or stretching, keep your joints healthy and reduce the risk of injury. Sports are a great way to exercise because they are fun and social. Team sports like football, basketball, and volleyball teach you how to work with others and develop important skills like communication and teamwork. Individual sports like tennis, swimming, or running allow you to focus on your own personal goals and progress. Doctors recommend at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 days a week. However, many people find it difficult to find time to exercise because of their busy schedules. A good solution is to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. For example, walking or cycling to work, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or going for a short walk during your lunch break.